Hi, welcome to EMR News Television. I'm Kirsten Kloss. Thanks for watching. So on today's program, we're going to be talking about the connectivity and architecture, and more specifically, cloud computing versus local computing for EMRs. And I've asked a special guest, Mr. Rick Delorme, to join us on the program. Rick is the CTO and VP of Product Development at Canadian Health Systems. Rick, thanks for joining us.
Hey, thanks, Kirsten.
So I'll just introduce you, Rick, before we get into the show itself. Rick is the chief CTO, of course, of Canadian Health Systems, one of Canada's leading EMR providers. He is a graduate of St. Francis Xavier University with a bachelor degree in information systems. As a Microsoft certified solutions architect and solution developer, he is authorized to co-authored a variety of software development and architecture textbooks over his career. He has designed, built, and implemented large-scale solutions for various industries, including telephony and the postal industry. Rick has been in the healthcare space for the last 7 years. Well, pretty darn good accolades there. You've got a lot of experience in the business, Rick. Thanks for sharing your knowledge and expertise with us. So, Rick, tell me, how significant is the cloud in implementing electronic health records?
Well, the cloud plays an important role in business. It has become a mainstream buzzword, and rightfully so. It has taken predominantly desktop applications and made them available anywhere, anytime, and even on any device. However, the cloud does have its limitations. It does require an always-on internet connection. This is where a decision between cloud and on-premise solutions becomes significant when dealing with life or death information such as patient health records. The cloud will provide you access as long as you're connected to the internet. An on-premise solution will provide the most reliable uptime locally, as it only requires a local area connection, which is up 100% of the time.
Is the idea behind cloud-based solutions also to minimize the cost of IT?
Cloud-based solutions do reduce the need for some types of local IT, but the misconception is that cloud-based solutions eliminate the need for IT altogether. Offices have computers, printers, fax machines, scanners, modems, routers, and other IT peripherals. So if you have an office, you have an IT infrastructure already. Implementing a local solution versus a cloud solution for critical business applications both have associated costs. When implementing a cloud-based solution, you will need to install internet redundancy. The second internet line is going to have a perpetual cost associated with it. With a local solution, you may need to purchase an additional firewall or an additional computer, but this is a one-time cost that can be capitalized over time.
So what about the software itself? Is there any difference in the end user experience with cloud-based solution versus a local solution?
Well, cloud-based solutions are typically web-based or internet-based applications. They are built to work in a web browser like Chrome or Internet Explorer. And while technology like HTML5, JavaScript, CSS have matured quite a bit to provide better functionality in those environments, the web browser just is not equipped to handle the most ideal workflows. The response times needed in busy medical practice is just not conducive to using a web-based solution. A rich client solution that is running on your desktop and mobile tablets provide a much richer experience for the end user. The application can provide more data more quickly so that the end user can make decisions more quickly. Also, local applications can easily connect to other equipment and peripherals to capture data directly into the EMR.
So how can someone who's looking for an EMR, a system for their offices, use this information to help them find the correct system?
Well, choosing an EMR is a complex process. Practices or medical offices looking to implement an EMR solution need to evaluate their needs in much the same way a business would evaluate putting in an ERP. Ask lots of questions of the vendor based on a critical analysis of your own business. How important is uptime for you? How long can you go without access to your patient records? How much is it going to cost you to have the proper redundancy in place so that you do not go without access to your data? In the medical field, access to data is the most important aspect of the business. If you require mobility in your practice, and find out if the vendor could offer you the best of both worlds, a local solution for in the office, but also able to make the solution available while on the go. Implementing an EMR system should not change how you practice. It should enhance it so that you're able to provide better care and better service beyond what you are already doing.
Well, Rick, great to have you on the program explaining this very sort of this balance between the two different systems. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you very much.
Our guest today, Rick Delorme, with the Canadian Health Systems. You're watching EMR News Television. I'm Kirsten Kloss. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned again real soon. Bye for now.